missed the garbage collection, so I had to chase the garbage truck. I loaded our bin and chased the garbage truck. Garbage disposed. Yeah. Okay, last few days of working from home. It's early at 7:30. I was up because first things first, I need to check if the bin's been collected, and I didn't put out the bin, so I had to chase the garbage truck all the way to the next street. Loaded it in the car, brought it there, wait for them to pick it up, and came back here. Now I'm setting up my stuff. I'll be working from home last few days of work. And yeah, let's do this. Also waiting for the washing machine to arrive around noon. This is gonna be a good day. Work from home. School from home. Higa lang ako. Okay guys, done with work from home, and finally I'm gonna do my assignments and look into my recordings for school. So I'm gonna be doing it till later. Thing is, yeah, I've just finished unboxing this. Yes, it's nothing spectacular. So ever since we moved here in Baronia, thing is, we didn't get a washing machine. I was going out to public washers, and it's kind of gross sometimes. So but right now we're having the lockdown. Everybody's not allowed to go out of the house, so we decided to buy this. They had it delivered. And our stairs, look at our stairs. Our stairs is quite tricky. You have to go there. And I can't bring that thing up here, so we had the best vendor to send it to us, and they delivered it to us. I was the one who installed it. They didn't install it, I did. But yeah, here it is. I'm gonna start now. It's my first time. Anyway, let's see how this rolls. There, it's on. Works like a normal washer. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go. Oh shit, I might go out now and get something to eat. I want to eat something. Laura wants to eat KFC, but we're not allowed to go out. Restaurants and cafes and shops are open, but they're only takeaway and delivery. Yeah, should I go takeaway? I don't know. Oh, what the fuck was that? What the heck? This one here is our dirty clothes bin. That's my favorite vacuum cleaner. Okay, enough of that. Too much information. Yeah. Hey guys, it's a new day again today, and today is again a new. Oh, why is this fucking blown out? Hold on, let's do it again. Hey guys, oh fuck. Hey guys, today is Wednesday. Is it? It's Wednesday, right? So it's a new day again, and we're up late. Yeah, we got up late, and we're cooking breakfast and lunch all in one, cause yeah, hard. Hey guys, it's a new day again, and yeah, I'm up a bit late, but we're up. Laura's cooking mongos ba? Okay, and then I'm cooking chorizo, and we're gonna have our breakfast and lunch all in one, because hard times, you need to take 2 meals once. No, we just woke up late, so it's around 3 p.m. today. Our day started at around 12 or maybe 1, and yeah, we're up here. I'm trying to clean up my desk space here. I have a desk space downstairs, and I have a desk space upstairs, which is that one. And yeah, let's clean the house and organize it for home. Work from home, not home shit. Okay, anyway, I'm not ready to next vlog, but this is just me blabbering, so yeah, just bear with me. Okay, I'm gonna do my share, clean my desk now. Yeah. Okay, we're having chorizo, mongo, and pineapple juice. Yeah, late lunch. Yeah, you can put the plate on. Okay, we're gonna have our lunch now, so you guys just, yeah, it's lunch and breakfast. Okay, lunch and breakfast. Lunch and breakfast all in one. We're having it again. That's what I've showed you. We have chorizo, we have mango, and pineapple juice. I'm pointing the wrong position. And also, I got my table cleaned. Should take this off. I got my table clean and there's no dust. That should be awesome. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. The day went out so fast. Today it's around 1:58 a.m. and I need to go to bed. I've been editing and doing a lot of work, and also I've been studying, and I look like shit. Anyway, yeah. See you guys.